Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a pre-built model as a face detection model, and we will be using make.com and see if the AI detects if it's similar or not. Okay, so first things first, go to your make.com account and go to create a new scenario, and then we are going to get Google Drive, and here we are going to select download a file. Then what you need is, first you need the image that you are going to compare. Assuming this is in your Google Drive, so this is the image. You are going to go to share, copy link. This is the way that you can get your ID. That's the image ID. Come back, file ID. Okay, so the first one is done. So this is what this is going to do, is basically pull this image to make, and then you can clone it, get another one, click on it, and now we are going to put what is the image that you are going to compare it with. So let's say it's this image. Again, we are going to copy the ID, come back, put it here. So that's done. Okay, for those who doesn't know what this model is going to do, I'll quickly draw it so you have understanding. First of all, what this is going to do is, it's pretty simple. Cloudmersive is going to give us an API console that comes as a HTTP. This is the face detection. So this needs two images, image 1 and image 2. And then I'm having a filter here to see if it's a match and to download it back to your Google Drive. Alright guys, now that part is done. Hooking up your Google Drive with the images, with the two images. This particular module has one image, this one, and this one has this image. So that's basically what this does. And now what we need to do is, so set up the HTTP. So to do that, we need to sign up for a Cloudmersive account. So that's free. You can, I'll put the link is there. So you just you sign up and go to APIs, and you can create an API and you can copy it here, and you get 800 API calls a month. So that's done. Then you have to select the module. Now here you get API console. So again, the link is there, and you get different types of models that you can run. So in our example, we are using image recognition and processing, which is this. So once you click it, there will be other modules that you can choose. Convert into GIF, image into TIFF, like a lot of things. Draw text onto an image. And here, what we are going to use is compare and match. So what it requires is input image, match face. So those are the two images, and here you get other codes as well, like Python. Now in our example, we are using curl. Here you get the instructions. Now I have put everything here, so it's easy for you all to do it. How you start doing it is, come to make, right click, add a module. It will automatically get connected to this, and here we are going to make a HTTPS request. That's what we are going to do. And now you have to fill all this with the instructions I have given here. So first off, it's the URL. So here, then you get method post. Then you have header item 1, and name and the value. Then item number 2, API, and you need to put your own API key. How you can get that API key is, again, this is the API key we created. Copy it, come here, and you can paste it. I'm going to speed up the process. Okay guys, we have set up a HTTP. You can go through the file and everything seems to be okay. So this is selecting the same image. Okay, so we can actually run it and see. So it picked the first file, second file, and it's processing. So that's a good sign. Okay, it's working. It has given an output. Output is here in data. It says true. Faces, it has detected 4 faces, and you can open it and see. First face, second, And third phase is a match. There's a score. This is working. And now we go to how we can take this output and do something. Alright guys, we have come to the final stage where we know how to get a result. Now we need to do is set up a filter to take an action, because what we need here, HTTP request to see if these two images match and then give us an out. Now since this is creating couple of phases, we have a lot of strings here. We cannot just put a basic filter, it will not work. So what we need is, we need to get a iterator. Hook that up, and now it will ask, we need to give it data, and so we just want to give it data phases. We leave it there. So that is where all the details are. That's about it. Hit OK, and now we need to get another model, which is Google Drive, and we are going to upload a file. So it will again ask you to set it up and where you want this to be downloaded. So now I'm going to pick from the list my drive, click AI automation, output images. I mean, this is where you want the result to appear. So in my case, I'm going to put it in the folder match. If it's a match, it's going to download this particular image, that's the first image, to this folder, and that's what is going to happen. And hit OK. Now here the value is empty. Now we fix the filter here, set up the filter, label it as match. So this is where all the filtration is going to happen. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to set up a condition. Condition is going to be high confidence match. If high confidence match operations equal to true, we need this filter to filter it and send it to Google Drive. Let's open. So nothing is there. That's the output folder. Let's start the automation. So it matched 1 and we have an output. Just to trick the system, we are going to get this dude's face and hook it up here, and now we are going to run the same operation to see whether the AI is going to pick it or not. Yes, so here it did not pick anything, it's 0, nothing is downloaded, so the AI detected that it's on the same face. That's it. Alright guys, have fun.